Hey guys, today I'm going to be swatching the ColourPop Lux liquid lipsticks. 14 of them. I bought this like little vault thingy. These are the velvet ones. I'm so excited but also scared because lip swatch videos are hard. But anyway, so we're just gonna get straight into it. Yeah. If you want to know what this look is, it should be up on my channel already. It's the Morphe X Mitchell little collab thing, so you can go watch that if you're interested. Alright, but anyway, this is how they come. I really love the packaging. I think they're super cute, and yeah, we're just gonna get started. So the first one I have here is called Keep It K-O-I. I don't know what that means. Keep It Koo. I don't know, I'm sorry. But anyway, they don't have any smell. Okay, so this is the first one. I feel like this colour does not suit me at all. Maybe with like a lip liner or something, but I feel like it's too light on its own. But anyway, once again, this was called Keep It Cool or something. I don't know, I'm sorry, but don't mind my terrible application. Yeah, once again, that's called Keep It Cool. Okay, next we have one called Genie. This looks like a little bit of a kind of darker pinky kind of shade. Velvet is like the perfect word for these. These are so nice and so smooth. I find the applicator so hard to use. I feel like because it's so long. I don't know. But anyway, once again, terrible application, but this one is called Genie. I feel like none of these are going to match this eye look, but that's fine. Okay, next we have Lucky Cat, and this looks quite dark, like kind of like a red shade. Ooh, this is very pretty. It's just this side of my mouth that it's really hard to use, but anyway, once again, this is called Lucky Cat. I do really quite like this shade. I feel like it goes quite nice with the green too, if I had have done a better job. Again, Lucky Cat. Next we have Buttercup, which looks like this. Another kind of like reddy shade. This one's more kind of like pink. It's very nice though. Okay. So once again, this one is called Buttercup. That foundation line. Okay, anyway, this is Buttercup. Okay, next we have some like darker shades. I've gone the wrong way, like, but anyway, like I feel like they were organized light. Oh, maybe not. No, I don't know. Anyway, right, this one here is called Southbound. This looks like a really dark kind of purple. I don't know if I should get KFC. This is really pretty. I really like this shade. Okay, so this is Southbound. It looks so streaky on camera. It's not that streaky in person, I promise. I don't know why it looks so bad on camera. Like in person it looks very even. That's so weird, but anyway, that one was Southbound. This staining is so bad. Okay, but anyway, the next one is called Haramosa. I don't know how to say it. But anyway, it's like a very, very dark. I really should have saved these ones for last, but anyway. So if anything, this one's quite streaky. I feel like that's quite normal with very dark lipsticks. So I'm not gonna be able to fix this. Anyway, this is Haramosa. I don't know how to say it once again, but anyway, it looks. Try not to look at my terrible application. This one is quite streaky, but it's still pretty. I feel like with a lip liner, it would be fine. I feel like I just look like a Clint at this point. Look at it. I'm gonna have to reapply some foundation after this one, I reckon. But we're on to the last 8, so I've done 6 already. Alright, I'm gonna put some foundation on my mouth. Okay, next we have Daily Dose, which is a very beautiful, like, it's like an orange kind of red. That is so pretty. I do actually really like that shade. So pretty. I'm not even going to talk about my application anymore, but once again, this one is called Daily Dose, and I do really like this shade. I feel like it pulls a lot more kind of like fluorescent on camera, whereas it's like, it's quite wearable, I feel like. Maybe, I don't know, but anyway. Yeah, this one once again is called Daily Dose. Okay, then we have Big Bang, and this one looks like a super deep red. It kind of reminds me of Unicorn Blood from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is, I used to use that shade as like fake blood before I had special effects stuff. Yeah, I feel like this is a pretty spot on dupe for Unicorn Blood. This is such a beautiful shade. Okay, once again, this is called Big Bang. I feel like I just can't pull off red lipstick, and I don't know why. I wish I could, because I think this is stunning. But I don't know, do you guys think it suits me or not? I don't know. Anyway, once again, this is Big Bang. Okay, next we have Air Kiss, which looks like this. I feel like we haven't seen any like nudes yet, if you know what I mean. Like, they're all kind of very like reddy, pinky, purpley tone. Whereas I want some nude, you know? Okay, once again, this is Air Kiss. Pretty shade. Okay, next we have Puddin. This one looks kind of like orangey, like a burnt kind of orange shade. Oh, I like this shade. Okay, this one once again is called Puddin. I do really like this. I feel like it kind of goes with today as well, if we didn't have all this redness around my mouth. Okay, these ones look a little bit more nudie, so I'm excited. This is Room Service, like a really pretty brown. Okay, this is Room Service. Still probably not as nude as I would like, but you know, it's more on the nude side. Very pretty. Next we have Get Money, which looks like a bit of a darker brown. This is a really nice shade. I feel like it's still kind of red base though, you know? Okay, so this is Get Money. See, like it's like a brown, but it's like kind of like orangey or reddy based brown. But anyway, Get Money. Okay, these ones look a little bit more nude. So these are the last two. We have Can You Even? Oh, that's pretty. That is really, really nice. Okay, so this one is called Can You Even? I really like this shade. I feel like my lips don't even look real anymore. I've looked at them so much. Okay, and then we have the last one, so we'll put that on next. Okay, last one is Casual Dress. I'm so excited. I feel like this one has like a orange tint to it as well. Okay. Last but not least, we have Casual Dress. Don't mind my horrible application. Okay, so that is swatches of 14 of the ColourPop Luxe Velvet lipsticks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what one was your favourite. That's what I was going to say. Now I just cannot remember. Oh, I feel like these feel really, really comfortable. They seem like just so creamy and smooth. I don't feel like they wouldn't be very transfer proof, to be honest. But they just feel so comfortable on the lips. You can see they're not exactly transfer proof, but I think they look beautiful. They feel like you literally like, they don't feel like you're wearing nothing, but they feel like you're wearing something, but in like the best way possible, like something really, really comfortable. They feel better than like my bare lips, if that makes sense. But yeah, no, I do really like them. They are really affordable. You can get them in little duo packs, or you can buy them separately, or there is this big vault, which was such a good deal. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!